So hello everybody, so I'm back for another video and I hope you guys are having a great time and welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers and my old subscribers, guess what, the hairstylist part of me is here to play. Okay, so let's do this. So the title of this video you guys have already seen is titled how to avoid having orange and red in your hair color. I have seen people who just go in and they're like, oh, someone shows them the swatch. For example, I love using this swatch because it's so small and easy to work with. So now these are the underlying pigments of the hair from a level 1 to a level 10, right? So these are the underlying pigments of the hair. And now someone says, oh, I want this color, I want this color, and maybe they want something else like this or somewhere there, and now they pointed it and I threw it on, and then the color turns. You may throw on the color as a new stylist, or I don't know, and when you've thrown the color in and you realize, wow, this color looks reddish, orangey. The guests will tell you, it looks orange, it looks brassy. Once they say that word, I'm like, you know, when I hear them say that word, let me say I'm working, and there are other stylists working, right? Where I was working in the other salon, I was working, and I'll see them, you know, like, oh, my color looks kind of brassy, and I'll turn like this because my head is, I'm like, oh wait, what just happened? Because in my head I'm like, and they're like, can someone, you know, and once they say that, I always feel bad because I'm like, this is why we always have to educate ourselves, because if you have that reputation, they will assume every stylist here have the same reputation, you know. So let me share this knowledge with you guys. So how to avoid orange or red or, you know, gold in your color. When you look at the swatch, you pick it out, you put it in the person's hair, and it's turned a little bit too warm than the desired result on your swatch. So this is a simple secret, and I hope it helps someone out there. So let's say, for example, I would give you guys a direct statement, then after that I will tell you my own trick, okay, that I also do when I'm taking it to the next level, honey. So what you do is that you take your color. Let me say I'm doing a level 7 or a level 8. I'll take that color. Let me say in this guideline series it says 7NI, which is 7 natural eyes. I know I have my permission line, but I tend to use, oh, I can use the permission too. Okay, so now this is a level 7 permission line, level 7, 7N, and I, rather than throwing it on, I always go to avoid having that too warm effect. I'll go with a 3 part of the 7N, and I'll go with a 1 part of the 7A if I want a deeper result. But if I want a natural lighter result, depending on the hair texture, because we have coily, we have medium, fine, and coarse texture of hair. If I want a regular color or a regular level of the result without having that warmth, too much of a warmth in the color, I would always go with an 8, an 8A or a 9A. I'll go with a 8A, 1 part of a 8A, and 3 parts of the 7N, and I'll get the level I intended without the warmth. It will look very natural. Or I can go, if the person's hair is too stubborn, I'll go with 2 parts of the color and 2 parts of an ash, depending on the ethnicity. Some ethnicity, believe me, they will pull out warmth forever, and I don't want to name names, but I don't want to name the ethnicities, but if you guys want to know that, let me know. I'll text that to you, okay? So you can use one part of the ash to 1 part of the color, or 3 parts of the color to 1 part of the ash. I repeat, start with 3 parts of the color to 1 part ash. Try it and see if that is the result you prefer. If you still have lingering warmth and you don't like it, then you can now go with 1.5 of the ash and 2.5 of the color, or you can go with 2 parts of the color and 2 parts of the ash. Okay, so that's how you can get that result without getting the warmth or the orange or the red or the yellow. So that will really help you guys so much when you're doing your color, okay? I know I love color so much because when I do the color, then I can cut it, I can transform the person and take them to the next level, okay? I just love that because I can use that to do so much, and I love being a hairstylist so much that every year I fall more in love with it. That's why I said, okay, it's time to get into the education part of it, okay? So now I am ready to share my own tweak with you guys. So if I'm doing someone's hair and they came in and they have a level 4 hair and they would like to go to a level 8 or so, I will go with color correction 101. Now what I do is first I will decolorize and lighten their hair to a level 8 or level 9, because I normally decolorize them to like a level 9. I can take them to an 8 or 9 using my Olaplex to protect this condition of the hair. Then afterward, I can now use a level 7. If I'm going for a level 7 or a level 8, I will then apply the color and get my result. And when I do that, believe me, it looks beautiful, because what I have done is that if this is where the wall is, I have surpassed the wall. Then I just came back to say, oh, how you guys doing? That's what I'm saying to the color. Like when I do that, so I take it 2 levels higher than the expected level that I want. Then I now apply the level that is needed, and I get the natural result. Because if I'm at a level, if I'm going for a level 7, I have the red orange and the orange gold there. I have surpassed the gold, so I don't have any barrier fighting with me. But if I just go straight to that place, I'm going there to just start fighting. So why don't I be the big person and just go above it, then after that come down back to it. Now this is only used by very advanced stylists. The person who told me this, shout out to Joe Blackwell. She has been a stylist for 33 years and she's the owner of Dope Salon in New York. Yeah honey, I told you guys I always go for my education in New York to meet these hair artists and celebrity artists, hair artists, to teach me. So she's a level 4 hair artist, which means she is cool. 33 years honey, and her salon has been there for 10 to 20 years now. So she just celebrated 20 years of having her own salon. So yes, shout out to Joe Blackwell, Dope Salon. She knows what I'm talking about. So yes, you always, when she told me about the trick, I was like, yeah, it makes sense. I was like, honey, thank you so much, because it made me more of a better hair artist, hair transformation stylist, and I'm so humbled and grateful to all of you out there. And I am now sharing this knowledge with you guys. So you guys, I paid thousands of dollars for this. So you guys now can now use it and start working, and I hope it works out so well for you guys, okay? So yeah, another way I can explain so you understand what I just said is, for example, Wendy Williams. How you doing? Wendy Williams went to school in Boston from Northeastern University. After graduating, she had to go work in the radios and all that stuff. Then she now has her own show of over 10 years, right? Now she's very successful. So when she went back, I heard she went back to Boston. Was it last weekend or this weekend that just passed? And when she went, guess what? She sat down and they did Ask Wendy series and all that, you know, like an Ask Wendy program, and she was so relaxed because now she's successful. She has passed all the craziness of being in college. So now when she goes back, she's going at a different level. So it's like, oh, I used to deal with that, you see. So imagine if you're a level 4 going to a level 7, rather than stopping there, which is being in college, you have come out to a level 9 where you're now a boss, and now you're going back to a level 7. You're like, oh, okay, levels, okay, I see you, college. Oh wow, good job, you see. So you're going at a better mindset. So that's how I can describe it, if that makes sense. So now when she goes back, it's easier. But if she had just gone to college and stayed there, then coming back to visit while she's still in college, you'll look at her like, you've not even finished your school. Like, what can you tell us? Nothing. Like, you're still trying to pass your grades, right? So I hope that is self-explanatory. I hope that helps someone that thinks crazy like me. You will get what I meant there, okay? So I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. And yes, this is how you can avoid having those orange tones and reddish tones and goldish tones in your color when you pick out a color from your color swatch, okay? I love you guys so much, and until next time from Salvity and Dust Studios, How did we do? Let me know in the comments below, and if you want more explanation, I can always type it out in the comments below, okay?